Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this one here does come to you with 35,500 miles on the clock. As well as that, it does also come with hands-free calling, voice assist, cruise control, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and a reversing parking camera as well. The two front seats are both heated and they do have that lovely Wildtrak leather upholstery on them. This does have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive and also low range, and has an automatic transmission. Now just showing you the back three seats, we can see that once again they are level with that lovely embroidery. Just down here we do have a 150 watt mains power outlet as well as our 12 volt. So we do just pop this down in the middle just here. We do have two cup holders and an armrest for the comfort of the rear passengers. Now just to show you the load area at the back of this double cab pickup, it does come with a cover on top, which as you can see does indeed pop up. These are both lockable, and then this does come down as well, giving you a lot of space in the bed at the back there. Lovely and weatherproof, keeping everything dry in there as well. Now if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if not you can always head over to our site in Padworth just outside of Reading to discover more about this vehicle. And now is the time to buy as well, because as of April the government are changing the category these vehicles are under as in tax, meaning you'll have to pay more after then.